Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. eBay is an online marketplace that allows individuals and businesses to buy and sell a wide range of products and services. Founded in 1995, eBay has grown to become one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms, connecting millions of buyers and sellers across the globe. Users can list items for sale in either auction-style format or fixed-price listings, and potential buyers can bid on auction items or purchase items outright at the listed price. eBay facilitates transactions by providing a secure payment system and offering various shipping options. The platform's diverse range of products, including electronics, fashion, collectibles, and more, attracts a broad user base, making it an attractive platform for both casual sellers and established businesses looking to expand their reach. One of eBay's key features is its feedback system, which allows buyers and sellers to leave reviews and ratings after completing a transaction. This feedback system helps build trust and transparency among users and promotes accountability. eBay also offers various tools and resources to assist sellers, such as listing optimization tips, marketing services, and seller protection programs. As a result, eBay has become a thriving online marketplace, providing a convenient and accessible platform for individuals and businesses to trade goods and services with a global audience. There are several ways to make money from eBay. Here are a few strategies you can consider. Sell products. The most straightforward way to make money on eBay is by selling products. You can start by identifying items that you no longer need or want and list them for sale on the platform. Additionally, you can source products from wholesalers, manufacturers, or local suppliers and sell them at a profit on eBay. Research popular and in-demand items, optimize your listings with clear descriptions and attractive photos, and set competitive prices to attract buyers. Start an eBay store. If you plan to sell on eBay regularly, consider opening an eBay store. With an eBay store, you can create a branded storefront and enjoy additional benefits like lower insertion fees, access to advanced selling tools, and increased visibility for your listings. This can help you establish a consistent presence on the platform and build a loyal customer base. Dropshipping. Another method to make money on eBay is through dropshipping. In this model, you list products for sale on eBay without actually stocking them. When a buyer purchases an item, you forward the order details to a supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. The difference between the price you list on eBay and the price you pay to the supplier becomes your profit. Dropshipping can be a low-risk way to start an online business, but it requires careful product selection and reliable supplier partnerships. Flip items. Look for underpriced items, antiques, collectibles, or unique finds at garage sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces. Purchase these items at a lower price and list them on eBay for a higher price. By leveraging your knowledge and expertise in certain niches, you can identify valuable items that others might overlook and turn a profit when selling them on eBay. Provide services. eBay also allows you to offer services in addition to physical products. If you have skills such as graphic design, writing, web development, or consulting, you can create service listings and sell your expertise on the platform. Remember, success on eBay requires research, understanding your target market, providing excellent customer service, and continually optimizing your listings. It's also crucial to stay up to date with eBay's policies and guidelines to ensure compliance and maintain a positive selling experience. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.